Understanding the VIP section in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to talk about a phrase you might have heard quite often, the VIP section. This phrase is popular in various contexts, and understanding it can help you navigate social situations where exclusivity is at play. So, let's dive in and unpack what the VIP section really means. The term VIP stands for Very Important Person. It's used to describe someone who is granted special privileges due to their status, importance, or celebrity. VIPs are often given preferential treatment, which sets them apart from others. The VIP section is a designated area in a venue, such as a nightclub, concert, or event, that is reserved for VIPs. This section is usually more exclusive and comes with several perks that are not available to the general audience, such as comfortable seating, better views, private service, or complimentary items. VIP sections serve a dual purpose. They not only provide a more enjoyable and exclusive experience for those who have access but also create a sense of aspiration among others. Venues use VIP sections as a way to generate additional revenue, as access to these areas typically comes at a higher price. When using the phrase VIP section, it's important to know that it can imply luxury and exclusivity. For example, if someone says, "We got into the VIP section at the concert," it suggests that they had a special, perhaps more luxurious experience than the regular audience. I hope this video has clarified what a VIP section is and how you can use the term in your conversations. Remember, learning such phrases can not only enrich your vocabulary but also help you understand the culture behind language use. Keep practicing, and you'll be conversing like a native in no time. If you have any questions or need further examples, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy learning!